Everybody tells me I should put a drawer back in the cupboard. I'm like, I don't want a half cupboard. It looks stupid. So I just want a big cupboard here that's going to shove stuff this way, and then not having a top, I can fit some taller stuff back there instead of having to lay it down and get it ruined. Hello everybody. Today is another fun-filled day of home improvement. What are we doing? We're installing a dishwasher. We already started, but let me show you what we've done so far. So we had to cut the cupboard to fit. We got to do a little bit of trimming right there. But this old school construction, it's all real wood. So yeah, I got the dishwasher here. I'll show you that when we're done. So we had to cut all that out. And then we have to, we already ran the electrical downstairs, which I'll show you later. But we have to put the plug in right over here somewhere. I don't know where we're going to put that. And then get the water line and the drain going over there. So thankfully we don't have any more cutting to do, because you can see my pile of debris in the kitchen. Some of this is going to get reused. Most of it's going to go in the circular file, but see all the nails there? We got to get a tool to get all those out. So yeah, this is going to be a fun. And of course we've got our helper and the other three that are, well, two of them are smart enough to stay away. This one and Poppy, Smokey and Poppy, are too stupid. But yeah, so we're going to have a dishwasher here in a little bit. I'll show you the rest of the work here in a second. So we got all these nails, couldn't find the right tool, had to get a different tool. So I get to grind all of those nails there, all the way down over to here. Yeah, when this house was built, they made one solid cabinet, so we had to sawzall it. Yeah, then we gotta cut holes here, right there, to put the water lines, and the electrical is gonna go into the wall. So, and we gotta run that up from right here, so we're gonna drill a hole down there, run the electrical, put it in there. Should be fun. So let me get to cutting. Show you when I'm done. Well, I just thought I would almost burn my kitchen down by cooking, not by cutting nails out of an old cupboard. Got them all done though. Nice and smooth. That was actually pretty easy, but sparks flying everywhere. Now I got to get all the nails cleaned up. But yeah, that was fun. I got little, well, scratches and stuff from doing other stuff, but yeah, little burn marks. Probably some right here too. I had my glasses on, so I did take those off before I started filming again. But yeah, I think I burned right here. Yeah, it's all good. I didn't burn the kitchen down or the house, so that's a bonus. So we're getting ready to put the electrical box in, so we can put the socket. And trying to find a stud is not easy, so you can see all the holes, and then finally we found it. Look at, I made a hole. A lot of dust. Man, that was hard. So now we got to drill a hole, run it up into the box, put the socket in, plug it in, and do some stuff. Yeah, this just doesn't take long, but man, that's an old house. That is some solid plaster. Put a new circuit breaker in, 20 amp. Ran all the cord up over here, and then we're going to go up into the ceiling here where we drilled a hole, and then we can connect. Got the wire through the wall. Now we're getting ready to put the box in, wire it up, and then we're good. So yeah, then we got to rebuild all this after we get the hole drilled over here for the pipes, and then we should be going. So we got the electric in, and don't worry, we are going to beautify that by sticking a dishwasher in front of it, because ain't nobody gonna see it. So there you go. Now, time for the plumbing hole. So we discovered we have a water leak, so we're fixing this, and this is the hot water. So this one hooks up in there, and then that hooks to there, and then the dishwasher part hooks over there. So that's awesome. But we couldn't get the pipe off, so we had to bust out the big boy. That thing is enormous. I like that crescent wrench. So now we have to get this cleaned up real good, and then we'll probably be replacing the wood later this week, because I'm not going to do that today. But we got to get that one taken off, And then I think this is the hot water, but we don't know for sure because, yeah, it should be hot because it's a little red thing right there, but I don't know. Because up here, where they're supposed to go, you can't see up in the, yeah, you can't see up in here. So, yeah, we're hoping that's the hot water. If not, we'll just have to change the valves out. So we got to put some, clean that up real good, put some pipe tape on it, the silicone tape, or whatever, Teflon tape, whatever that stuff is. Get this one done, drill the hole, and then we're gonna finish up tomorrow because we're both wore out. So I figured it out. Red means hot, green means cold, or blue means cold. So see, I done figured it out. I was right, that's the hot water, that's the cold water. So it's gonna be easier than I thought. New valves are in, no leaks, we're good. So now we just have to get the holes drilled over there and then hook up the dishwasher. The drain goes up here to the right there. Thank God for garbage disposals. Our other one went out, so we had to put the new one in. I put that one in. It's easy to do. Yeah, so we're almost done. Thank goodness. So we have a dishwasher. It's not fully installed yet, but it works, so that's good. We're going to do all the cosmetics tomorrow, fix all this up. This is good. It's on, it's working. We got to push it in more. Nothing's leaking here. Got the drain pipe up to there, and the hot water hooked up. Everything's good. So look at there, folks. We have a dishwasher. Once we get it fully installed, see, we're testing it out now. It works good. It's draining properly. We're gonna put it in all the way, get the cosmetics. We just wanted to make sure we had it all. So tomorrow we actually get to do the rest of it. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and you'll see me in about maybe 2 seconds. So we've been hard at work already this morning. We got the dishwasher all the way flush. We had to cut right under here to make it so it went in. We do have to push this back a little bit here. Unfortunately, the plug sticks out, so it holds it back a little bit, but that's fine. We got a piece of trim to put here, which is going to be good. So once we get that in, it'll make it look better there. I just have this sitting here for now. We're going to put this piece of trim in here in a second. We got a board here to keep the cats out of the dishwasher. We got this piece of trim we're going to put in. And then, yeah, and then I'm going to build some stuff to put here. So, which I'm just going to use like the old door. I can just cut pieces out and put them in there so they look good. See, if I put that right there, look how pretty that is. And then everybody tells me I should put a drawer back in the cupboard. I'm like, I don't want a half cupboard. It looks stupid. So I just want a big cupboard here that's going to shove stuff this way, and then not having a top, I can fit some taller stuff back there instead of having to lay it down and get it ruined. So this is going to come out nicely. Randall's going to be very happy. I didn't get to surprise her like I wanted to because she came home early and we didn't get it all finished by the time she got home. But she was very surprised and very happy that her dishwasher is in place. So there you go. Let's take a look at this. So once I get it all completed, I'll show you guys the final look. So I'll see you in about maybe 45 minutes, and you'll see me in about 2 seconds. So it's like really hot and sweaty, but I have to pretty it up a little bit. But there we go. So we filled in the cupboard. We put a piece of trim here. I got to fix a few things, which is, minor cosmetics. Cat can't get in down here, which is good. We do have one more piece of trim we have to put over here, but we have to cut a special piece. But other than that, look at there. Randall has her dishwasher. So she's going to be happy. So I did my darndest as a husband. So if you guys could do me a favor, make sure you hit that like button, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.